So now a load of 6 kilowatts is supplied by an auto transformer at 120 volts and at unity power factor. If the primary voltage is 240, so determine the transformation ratio, secondary current, primary current, number of turns across the secondary. If the total number of turns is 280, number of turns is 280. So in this, so load is equal to 6 kilowatts. Load is equal to 6 kilowatts. So in this, so first of all we can draw the general circuit diagram, which is to be represented like this. Like this. So it is equal to V1 and I1. V1 and I1. So supplied by the transformer is equal to V2 is equal to 120 volts. So load of 6 kilowatts is supplied by an auto transformer at 120 volts. So V2 is equal to 120 volts. V2 is equal to 120 volts. If the primary voltage V1 is equal to 240 volts. 240 volts. So determine the transformation ratio. So transformation ratio is always denoted by K. K is equal to V2 divided by V1. V2 divided by V1. So which is equal to V2 divided by V1. V2 is equal to 120 divided by 240 is equal to 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2. So next one is secondary current. So if you have to find out the secondary current is always is equal to, or load current is equal to 6 kilowatts. I2 is equal to output divided by voltage. So 6 into 1000 divided by V2 into cos phi. So in this power factor or loaded power factor is equal to unity. So cos phi is equal to 1. So 6 into 1000 divided by V2 is equal to 120 into 1. 120 into 1. So is equal to 50 amperes. Secondary current is equal to 50 amperes. So primary current I2 is known value. Then so what is the relation between I2 and I1? I1 is equal to K times of I2. So K is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into I2 is equal to 50 amperes is equal to 25 amperes is equal to I1. I1 is equal to 25 amperes. Another one is number of turns across the secondary. If the total number of turns is 280. If the total number of turns is 280. So based on that, number of turns in secondary is equal to, that means N1 is equal to 280 turns. So because of these complete turns is to be given is equal to 280. So N1 is equal to 280. So N2 is equal to K times of N1. Because of K is equal to N2 by N1. So from this equation K is equal to 1 by 2 into 280 is equal to 140 turns. 140 turns. So finally power transformed and power conducted. So power transformer is also calculated. Power transformed is equal to load is always load multiplied with 1 minus K. Load is multiplied with 1 minus K. So which is equal to load is multiplied with 1 minus K. Load is equal to 6 kilowatts multiplied with 1 minus K is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 6 is equal to 3 kilowatts. So what about the power transformed or power conducted? Power conducted is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 kilowatts. 3 kilowatts. So these are the another problem. So in this general notations, which is also same as that of a ordinary transformer, K is equal to V2 by V1. So I2 is equal to output power divided by voltage. I1 is equal to K times of I2. I1 is equal to K times of I2. N2 by N1 is equal to K. Based on that equation, we can calculate in the number of turns in secondary winding. So power transformed is equal to load into 1 minus K. So it's 6 into 1 minus K is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 3 kilowatts. Power conducted is equal to 3 kilowatts. Power is to be transformed from conducted portion. Another one is induction process. So that means, so whenever the power is to be transmitted through the in this winding to load, so that is load into 1 minus K, but in this remaining portion is equal to directly, so total load is equal to 6 kilowatts. 3 kilowatts power is to be transmitted in this fashion, another 3 is in this process. So that is the power transformed conductively and inductively. So power transformed is equal to load into 1 minus K. So that is power is to be transmitted in this path. So is equal to load into 1 minus K. 1 minus K. So but in case of a power conducted is equal to, that means remaining winding is to be transmitted through the power to load. So that is difference, total load minus power transmitted by the power transformed is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 kilowatts. 3 kilowatts. So that is the process, or we can for calculating the all the parameters. So next one is the primary and secondary voltages of an auto transformers are 600 volts and 500 volts respectively. Show that the aid of a diagram the current distribution in the windings when the secondary current is 210 amperes. Calculate the economy in copper. So in this, so first of all we can draw the general circuit diagram of a auto transformer. So which is equal to load. So load current is equal to 210 amperes. 210 amperes. So input voltage is equal to 600 volts. Which is equal to 500 volts. So N2 turns and N1 turns. So which is equal to N1 minus N2 turns. So primary voltage, secondary voltage, so V2, and finally, so V1 is equal to 600 volts. V2 is equal to 500 volts. I2 is equal to 210 amperes. So then K is equal to V2 by V1. So 500 divided by 600 is equal to 5 by 6. K is equal to 5 by 6. I1 is equal to K times of I2. K is equal to 5 by 6 multiplied with I2 is equal to 210 is equal to 175 amperes. 175 amperes is to be coming from the supply, which is equal to 175 amperes. So in this 175 amperes is to be coming in this path, but load current is equal to 210. So remaining 35 amperes is to be coming downward directions. So in this written path is equal to 175 amperes. So weight of copper, so previously is also discussed. So that is weight of copper in auto transformer, auto divided by two winding transformer is equal to 1 minus K. So 1 minus K. So which is equal to 1 minus K. So if you have to find out the saving of copper is equal to saving of copper is equal to K times of weight in copper for two winding transformer. So this is the final equation. So that is saving of copper or economy of copper is equal to K times of K is equal to 5 by 6 times. So that is equal to 86 point or 83.33% of copper saved in two winding transformer or auto transformer. Saving in copper. So economy of copper is equal to 83.33%. So this parameter is to be coming from the saving of copper is equal to K into weight of copper for two winding transformer, which is equal to 5 by 6, which is equal to 83.33%.